Webflow and Framer are two of the most popular no-code, drag-and-drop website builders today, but they're built for slightly different types of users and projects. Webflow is generally the better choice for complex, content-heavy, and scalable websites. It works almost like a visual HTML and CSS editor, giving you very precise control over layout and styling. Because of that, it has a steeper learning curve, especially for beginners. However, that extra complexity makes it ideal for large marketing sites, enterprise-level projects, and advanced CMS structures. Webflow also offers robust e-commerce features and is often preferred for deeper SEO customization and technical control. On the other hand, Framer focuses on speed, creativity, and ease of use. Its interface feels very similar to Figma, which makes it especially appealing to designers. Framer is perfect for landing pages, portfolio sites, and design-forward websites with smooth, modern animations. The learning curve is lower compared to Webflow, and collaboration feels more real-time and intuitive. While it supports CMS and scaling, it's generally better suited for smaller to mid-sized projects rather than massive, complex platforms. In short, choose Webflow if you're building a large, scalable site with advanced CMS or e-commerce needs and want deep control. Choose Framer if you're a designer who wants to launch quickly, create beautiful animations, and move from design to live site in minutes. Both platforms offer solid hosting and SEO capabilities, but Webflow leans more toward flexibility and power, while Framer emphasizes speed and creative freedom.